Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Final Cut Pro Made Easy. My name is RC and today I am going to be showing you guys how to censor clips in Final Cut Pro. I'm going to show you how to censor both the audio and the video. So just for an example, I have this clip of Mike Tyson. Let's just watch it real quick.
You come across like a nice guy, but you're really a piece of shit. Hey, with that comment. Come on. Nah, that was a piece of fuck you.
So as you can see, he was very clearly swearing there, and I censored out that part, and you can see the censored version right here. I'm just going to play it for you guys real quick.
You come across like a nice guy, but you're really a piece of shit. Hey, with that comment. Come on. Nah, that was a piece of fuck you.
So as you guys can see, there were two things that were being censored there. There was the audio where he was swearing, and also his face in the parts where he was swearing was also pixelated and blurred out. So this is what I'm going to show you guys, and I have a project here open which has the unedited version. Let's just play that.
You come across like a nice guy, but you're really a piece of shit. Hey, with that comment.
So the first thing you have to do is you have to censor out the audio. And to do this, the easiest way to do it is to zoom in and just hit the play button and figure out exactly where he's swearing.
For shit. Hey.
So it looks like this area is where he's swearing.
For shit.
So we're just going to try to select that area where he's saying shit.
Shit. Shit.
It looks like that's the part. Next thing you want to do is you want to drag this down. If you put your playhead over or your mouse over this area here, you get this area, and you can actually drag this area down. It's automatically going to keyframe it for you. And now if we play this section back, it's silent. And now the next thing we have to do is put the audio for the censoring. And I downloaded this off of this censoring clip off of YouTube. You can get it for free. I also have a video that shows you how to download clips off of YouTube if you guys want to check that out. But anyways, this is the censoring clip, so if we listen to it real quick, it's basically just a censor. And all you have to do is select this audio clip, make sure your range is still selected down here, and just hit the Q key. And as you guys can see, it automatically makes it to the correct length of the range you selected. So now if we play this back,
piece of shit. Hey,
you guys can see that when he says shit, it is censored. Now the next thing we have to do is censor out his mouth, and to do this is actually really easy. I'm just going to close my library here just to make more screen real estate, and I'm going to open my effects browser. And if you just type censor in here, you'll see that there is an effect called censor. Now you can't just drag it in here, because if you do drag it in here, you'll see that the censor actually happens for the entire clip, which is not what we want. We only want the censoring to happen for this small section of the clip. So I'm just going to undo that. And to do this, it's really easy. All you have to actually do is use your blade tool and just hit Command B. That's the hotkey for it. As you guys can see, it splits the clip here, and also uses the blade tool for the other side of the clip. That way it separates this section from the other sections that you don't want censored. And the next thing you want to do is you take your censoring and you drag it onto your clip. As you guys can see, it censors it, but you're not done yet. You still have to move it to the area that you want censored. So I'm going to move it over here, and if you go to the edge of the circle, you can actually drag it and make it smaller. You can also use the inspector here to make it bigger and smaller, but I do find it easier if you just click the edge of the circle. And under the inspector, you also have different options. You can make the amount bigger, which makes the pixels bigger. You also have different blurring options. For example, you have pixelate, you have blur, which just blurs it. And you also have a darken option as well as a rectangle option, which is just a black rectangle. But the one that I'm going to use is the pixelate, and I'm just going to use the smallest amount. And that is pretty much it. So now if we play this back,
hey,
you guys can see that both the audio and the video is censored in that part. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Of course, check out my other videos, and please subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.